Hey friends, in today's video I wanted to go over my new desk setup and also my new office space. So as you know, I have recently moved to a new apartment and I just wanted to share my desk setup as it was requested by a lot of you. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So yeah, this is my office space, and as you can see I have two desks right now and they're identical. They're different size though. The farther one is bigger and this one is a smaller one, but they're the same desk. I got them from Canada Computers. I'll link everything down in the description, but yeah, they're generic desk. So here's my work setup. So I don't have any additional monitors for now, but I'll probably get one because it's hard to work from a 13-inch screen. Here's the laptop. You can see big Google Cloud logo on it, and then I have some fake plants. I have the Linux Academy Penguin or Tux, and then I have some peripherals. So this is the Logitech keyboard. It's not mechanical, it's a membrane keyboard, and then I have a Logitech wireless mouse. This works with 3 devices and it's great. And then I have my coffee mug with a coaster, and then you can also see some fake plants again, which I got from IKEA. Moving on, we have charging station. So you can see I have my Casio watch here, which is not smartwatch, but yeah, this is a wireless charger, and then you have a charger for AirPods too, right? And then some stationery here, and this thing is great. So this, I got the idea from Gwen. I saw her using it in a couple of videos, and you can clean your keyboards, right? So this is awesome. Thank you, Gwen. And moving on, I have one HomePod whenever I want to listen to music. This is the HomePod Mini in space gray or black, I think. But yeah, this is my work area, and this is a generic Amazon chair that I got at my last place. Moving on to my actual or personal setup, what do we have here? So I guess I'll start with the monitors first. So the upper one is an Acer 60 Hertz 1080p monitor. It's great for having like an additional screen. As you can see, the design is same for both monitors. So when I think I plan to have them stacked left and right, side by side. They look identical apart from like the actual logo on the bottom. But yeah, generic 60 Hertz monitor. I think this one costed around $150 in Canadian. And then I have my gaming monitor. So I used to have a curved ultra wide monitor, but I did get rid of it and bought this one because yeah, ultra wides are not, I didn't like them. So this one is a 24-inch 144 Hertz LG gaming monitor, and I love this thing. I think it's a TN panel, I'm not sure. Again, the links will be in the description, so you can check out what the product specs are. And moving on, I have the Logitech mechanical keyboard here, and this one is, I believe it's 80% or 65%, I might be wrong, but it doesn't have the numpad on the side. So yeah, it looks good. I think it's blue switches, so they're loud sometimes. And I have the Logitech mouse. Again, this one is also gaming, and it's awesome whenever I play Call of Duty Warzone or some other games that I usually play. Moving along, I have the Shure MV7 mic, and right now it's plugged via USB because I haven't gotten my interface out of the box yet. So part of moving is I'm trying to find some stuff, and it's in some random box outside, so I have to find that, and then it'll be over XLR. But I do love having it over USB. Like, I don't find a lot of difference when recording audio. But yeah, and this boom arm is from Vivo, which is really great because my desk, so this thing is really thick, so I couldn't get the generic boom arm. I had to buy this one because it supports like ultra thick desks. So yeah, that's the boom arm. And Moving along, I do have my iPad here, and I need to get a new desk mat because this one is dirty. So for the iPad, it's the iPad Air with the Apple Pencil, and I have this folio case which I got from Amazon again. This one is not the M1 version of iPad. So yeah, this one is the previous, I think, a 13 chip version, but I love it. And I do have again some fake plants, a minion, and this little hamster I think is from Pets or Pets 2. I'm a huge fan of animated movies, so yeah, I have some collectibles, and then another fake plant, and you can see the shiny Google Cloud bottle. Moving along to the PC itself. So this is my latest PC that I built last year, and I'll leave down the specs in the description, but you can see like the case is really cool. It's a see-through case from the front and the side, and it has this cool RGB light running. And then the graphics card on this one is the 6600 XT. Nothing crazy, but it gets the job done, and I usually do casual gaming, so it's good for that. For the CPU, I think it's the Ryzen 5 5900, I believe. I could be wrong on this, but I'll leave everything down in description. And yeah, let me know if you want me to do a detailed video on just my PC. And then I have my Sony Alpha series. So this is A5100, and you can also see the Wi-Fi thing that you attach to your PC. And then I have some Philips Hue lights, and you can also see the LED strip behind my desk. So all of this is manageable through Philips Hue. I love the integration they have with Apple HomeKit or Google Home. So yeah, those are my go-to lights. I think I covered up pretty much everything that's on my desk. The chair is a generic chair that I got from Staples. I'll make sure to link it down below. And then you have the view on the side, which I love, even though there's construction going on the other side of the road. So yeah, pretty amazing office space, and it's better than my last one because I had my setup in the living room. Oh, and also if you're wondering how I have monitors stacked one over another, I'll link down the monitor arm below. It looks cool, but I'm not using the top one as much because I have to look up. So I might have Discord or Spotify going on the top one, and that's why I want them to be side by side. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so this is my desk setup. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.